Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my winter Fab Fit Fun box unboxing. I've been holding it off for a little bit since it was Christmas time and New Year's Eve, and I just wanted to spend time with the fam. You know how it is. So we're just going to get right into the box. It comes with, you know, same old stuff, the magazine, the little Hello Fresh thing. Then we have coupon thing for Fab Fit Fun. Something about HBO Max. We got that wine club thing. What is it called? Brightsellers.com. And yeah, the other thing for HelloFresh that came off of that piece of paper. But what I want to do is I want to get into this box. We have first here, we have the LED indoor planter. I don't know how much I would be using this because I don't feel like having this sitting up on anything, and I don't plant anything. So this may end up going to someone, not sure who, because, you know, why not give it away to somebody if you're not going to use it? Instead of holding on to it, just give it to someone who would appreciate it and want it. So we have this little thing here. Next we have the Mani Moments. It is a Mani in a box duo with a nail file. No idea what this is. So we have this. Oh my. So we have a sugar scrub, a cream mask, a massage butter there, and then this is the vitamin recharge packet right here, and then we have the green tea detox sugar scrub and cream mask and massage butter. You get 3 of those. It's the same things except one's green tea detox and the other one is vitamin recharge. I guess I'll read in. I guess I'll read into that more to see what the heck this is to do. I don't know. I mean, it says Mani Moments, but is it for your face or is it for your hands? I'm not sure. I mean, it says a Mani in a box with a nail file. So to me, that means it's for your hands, but also sounds like it could be for your face. So who knows? I have no idea. No idea. Oh, look, and also forgot. You get little stickers in the box. And next we have the something I'm really excited to try. It is because it's the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. I want to try the Briogeo line, but it's a little pricey for me, and I do have my hair, it's starting to thin, and I'm thinking maybe I should just pay the extra amount of money and just start really spending it on my hair care. And this is a blow dry perfection, so it's a heat protectant cream too as well, so it's great because I do blow dry my hair once in a while. Next we have this thing here. It is, I don't even know. It is a lip oil. A lip oil. The packaging is really cute. It almost looks, I don't know what I'm trying to say. It almost looks like it belongs like in Celestial, but it's not. Alright. It is a lip oil. Let's take a smell because I'm not putting it on yet. It smells good. Oh, it smells like cake mix, cake batter. Like plain vanilla cake batter. That's what it smells like. That smells delicious. Yeah, so it is just, oh, it's by Winky Lux, a lip oil. Duh. Next we have some sticky stuff on that. And this is ESPA. ESPA. I don't know, ESPA is what it's called, and it's exfoliating body polish. So it's a body polish, so you just basically, you know, it's basically a body scrub. That's all it is, you know, just like the Tree Hut kind of things, but just a little fancier. Next we have a Sonic's Bluetooth speaker. So is it waterproof? Don't know. Doesn't say whether it is waterproof or not. But here we have a little pink guy. Don't know how it sounds. It's a little cord. For charging is down here. And a little wrist strap, which I don't get. I wouldn't be walking around with this on my wrist. But you have a little Bluetooth speaker. Very adorable. And last but not least, we have a Michael Kors hat. And what is really funny is the simple fact that for my boyfriend's sister, I ended up getting her a Michael Kors hat, glove, and scarf set for Christmas. She already has it, so. And I don't think she watches my videos. So, but this is a really cute, adorable one. It's gray. Silver Michael Kors on there. And I had just gotten a Michael Kors purse for Christmas. And I own 3 purses so far from Michael Kors. So, it's a good little addition since we are here in the winter months. This is adorable, adorable, adorable. And that is all I got in my FabFitFun winter box. Let me know if you get FabFitFun and if you got anything different than I did. This is also another box, another thing that I totally forgot to do customization for. Because, like I said, the times were getting away from me, especially around Christmas time and all that stuff. And I'm worrying about making sure my family had something for Christmas to open up and other people's families for Christmas to open up. So it wasn't detrimental that I customized my boxes for this and the other video that I just did. So I'm trying to have it programmed in my phone when the next one is, so hopefully I can remember to customize and get a couple things that I actually want. But all in all, this box was okay. I've had my last ones were better than this. So, I mean, there's a couple things in here that I do like and a couple things that I really can care less about actually having. So, just like I said, let me know down below what you guys got. Like the video, comment down below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.